Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a Curateur unboxing for you today. This is the spring box. I am super excited because there's something in this box that I have been wanting for a long time. If you're not familiar with Curateur, it is a subscription box by Rachel Zoe, and it is a seasonal box. So it comes out 4 times a year. It's $99, and Rachel Zoe curates a selection of items that apply to the season, and typically the box retails for $400 to $500, and everything is really nice quality. I have been pleased with every box that I have received so far. And I normally get a coupon code to pass on to you, but they are not doing that at the moment. But I believe I can find you a coupon, and I will put that in the description box below if you're interested in trying it. And so I'm gonna start off with my favorite piece, and that would be this belt bag. I love this color. It's such a beautiful neutral color. It is a beautiful quality. This could be worn as a belt bag. Sorry, I've got a little piece of fluff flying around. It could be worn as a belt bag. It has a belt attached and it's adjustable, or it could be worn as a crossbody. And it has a nice magnetic snap enclosure. It's vegan leather, and it's small, but it's large enough for my phone, my car keys, some lipstick, and a small wallet. And it just is something I've been wanting, a nice belt bag. So I'm going to try this on for you so you can see what it looks like. And this is what I am absolutely most excited about, but everything in this box is nice. All right, I put on the belt bag, and rather than have you watch me try to put it through my belt loops, I just thought I would turn the camera off, try it on, and back up for you. But isn't this adorable? Super easy access. It closes really easily. It just is like a magnetic strap, and it is the perfect size. And I think it's really stylish. I've been admiring belt bags for some time now, and I'm so excited to actually have one, and love it. Super cute. It is adjustable, and it can be worn crossbody as well, but I might wear it either way, but right now I'm just thrilled that I could wear it as a belt bag. Okay, so her magazine is just beautiful. These are the items in my box. The choice items was a bracelet or hoop earrings, and I picked the hoop earrings, and then sunglasses or a scarf. And I did the sunglasses, but purchased the scarf as an add-on. And Rachel Zoe has an online shop. You can purchase things as an add-on. And so let's read a little bit about what this bag, what it says here. So the beauty of this vegan leather bag is its ability to adapt to all your spring and beyond looks. Wear it as a crossbody or a belt bag around the midsection, or get ultra creative and swap the strap for our Bindia New York scarf to create the sweetest handbag. So you can see how they've added the scarf. That's a really cute way to do it as well. This bag retails for $85. So I think that that's really cute. And you can see here that she has it on as a crossbody. Really, really pretty. All right. And so as you can see, I'm wearing this really cute scarf. And I just thought these are so fashionable. And I loved the colors for spring and summer. Of course, there are multiple ways you can wear a scarf around the neck. I get these Instagram, how to tie a scarf. Somehow it ends up in my feed. And so I tried using a method for tying, and I'll show you how to do that. But this is the scarf, and this retails, it says ways to wear it. The ultimate spring accessory. This pleated chain link print scarf can be worn so many ways to make all your looks lighter and brighter in your hair, around your neck, and even tied to your handbag. And this retails for $65, and it's a beautiful quality. And I'm going to take it off so you can see, but I've been also wanting to get one of these little neckties, and there's so many different ways to wear it. You can see it's pleated. How beautiful is that? The colors are so, so pretty. The way Kobe, my dog, is on this feed, the video showed you going around your neck like this. And then this scarf may be a little short, but you take it here and you twist it, and you take the end here and the end through here, and then you just tighten it. So you can do it off to the side, you can loosen it. I thought that was kind of nice, but there are so many ways you can tie a scarf, and you know, just a nice fun way to add some pizzazz to your outfit. Next item is I put on these earrings. Look at how cute these are, these little hoop earrings. And these are a sterling silver, but they're 14 karat gold plated. Let's see right here, sorry. These are called the Mystique hoops. They are, they retail for $150. And let's see, it has a white topaz stone in it. So pretty. It's the Marin Costello designer. And I think that they're a nice, they're not large, they're not small, they're a nice medium hoop. And I love that little white topaz stone. So pretty. Okay, let's see. The other thing that I was super excited to get are these sunglasses. They're a tortoise shell rimmed sunglass, and I always like to have spare sunglasses because sometimes I'll leave my sunglasses in my husband's car, and you know, I just he's out with the car, and I always just like to have a couple extra pairs. But aren't these adorable? And I feel like this shape is flattering to most people. And it comes with a little case. It says St. Owen and Curateur. And here is the picture in the catalog. And I'm going to take them off because it's kind of dark when I have them on. But aren't they pretty? You can see as a close-up this tortoise shell. Really pretty. And I like the color of the lens. What do you think? Aren't they cute? Kobe. Okay, these are the wild tortoise sunglasses. They retail for $95. Sunglasses are expensive, and so I already feel between the earrings, the belt bag, and my sunglasses, I've gotten well above my $99 investment. All right, so I am super thrilled so far. In the way they packaged the scarf, they show you some different ways to tie it because there's multiple ways. But this scarf is by Bindya, New York, B-I-N-D-Y-A. Sorry, B-I-N-D-Y-A. I'm not really going in order. I opened up the items I was most excited about first, and I'm excited about everything. The next thing is this. It's called Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Double Date Lip and Cheek. And I'm going to open this for you, but this retails for $22. It says, get on-the-go glam in an instant with this multitasker by swiping the sheer color on your lips and cheeks for a natural flush, then adding the clear balm anywhere you want a little non-shimmery glow. You can even use the built-in mirror for touch-ups. And so that's the color. I'm going to open this up. It's called Honeymoon. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. I do unboxings, trunk club, front door fashion, daily look, stitch fix on a regular basis. And make sure to hit that like button if you are liking this. But isn't this pretty? There is the lip and cheek. And then it looks like there's a gloss. Oh, a gloss and a mirror. Isn't that nice? I think I already have lipstick on, so I can't really tell, but it looks like it's a nice kind of, I don't know if you can see that, sheer, kind of natural glow. I really like that. And I love the mirror. I could have used this. I just got back from Hawaii, and there were so many times I wish I had a little mirror like this in my purse. My lips got a little bit sunburned early in our vacation, and I was constantly applying lip balm and, you know, really wanted a mirror. So this would have been really nice to have. I really, really like this. And I had a fabulous time in Hawaii. It went by way too fast. We planned this almost a year ago, and we went with a group of friends and rented a house, and it was just spectacular. Did not want to come home, of course. Okay, the next item in this box is the final item. It's called Cold Plasma Plus Eye. Potent yet lightweight cream smooths, brightens, firms, and even reduces puffiness before your very eyes. It's Perricone MD. Doesn't really have a scent, which I love, and you can see its creaminess. I can't wait to try this. I've heard of this brand before, and I've never used it. Perricone MD. Very, very nice. That is it for my unboxing. I am so thrilled. I am going to put a code below, hopefully for a discount. Normally, Curateur would give me a $50 coupon to pass on to you guys to get $50 off your first box, and they aren't offering that anymore, but I know I'll have a coupon for you. If you want to try it out, I'll attach it below. And please be sure to leave your comments below and let me know what you think of these items. I'm so beyond thrilled, and I feel like even though $99 is expensive, I really feel like I got a good value between the belt bag, the sunglasses, and the earrings. Of course, the lip and cheek, and then the moisturizer, but I'm really loving this. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I did order another front door fashion, just a mini box, because there were a couple items from my last box that I sent back and regretting it. And so I've asked them to resend those to me, and if there's any dresses or shorts that they want to include, I'd be happy to get those as well. So stay tuned for that, because it'll be fun, summer themed. Thank you for watching.